All right, guys, I just got through shopping. I just came from Ross and I bought some things here. And I am going to show you how I am going to incorporate these things in my home. Look at that yoga mat. I seen that yoga mat and I seen this rug. The yoga mat was $6.99, the rug was $12.99. That's a good deal. That is a good deal. Look at this. So we're gonna see if we can work with these two things in the house. Everything is tying in great together. When I was at Ross, I really couldn't find a window treatment, so I decided to do this. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is a dun, 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 yoga mat. I think it is nice. I think it is nice. I think it is busy. I think that it will tie both of the rooms in together. And what I like about it is you have a variety of ways that you can put this up. But what I like about it is you can wipe it off. Depending on how you cook and everything, you know, we be having to wash our backsplashes off and things of that nature. But because of the material of this yoga mat, I can keep this clean. All right, guys, I like making things simple. So what I am going to do for now, I am going to put this up with tacks. Just some little tacks from the Dollar Tree. How you put it up is how you put it up. You can put it up with a curtain rod. You can put it up with double-sided tape. I am putting it up for now with tacks because I want to see how it's going to blend in with my decor. Oh, yeah. So guys, after I put the mat up to my window, I seen that I wanted it to be a little bit shorter. So now I'm just going to cut it. The length that I want mine to be is 14 1/8 inches. So I marked it and now I'm about to cut it. All right, now that my material is cut, I am going to put it back up there because this is the length and the width that I like. Now remember guys, you can get double-sided tape, you can use tacks, you can use a rod. However you want your material to be up there, then use what you want to use to put it up. I will be putting mine up with double-sided tape later. I absolutely love it. Let me show you something else. Now guys, I told you that I am trying to tie all of the rooms together with little accent pieces. Now, for my kitchen table, because I have this beautiful material up to my window, and I have so much of this material left, I am going to use this material to tie in the rooms. Let me show you what I am going to do with this. That is a perfect runner for my table. Now guys, those were perfect ideas for a yoga mat from Ross. I can do whatever I want to do with this extra material, but take your time and figure out how you want to use the rest of this material. All right guys, well you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.